I am Aleyamma Siby, 47 years, studied up to pre-degree, Panathadi village, Kasaragod district, Kerala. He is my husband, Mr. Siby Agustin. My daughter, Ria Siby, studying in BSc Nursing. My son, Agustin Siby, studying in 8th class.
I am Miss Ria Siby, doing my BSc Nursing. I will be translating for Srimati Aleyamma Siby. These are the various certificate and articles about me. We are producing totally 4 different varieties of honey, namely Coor honey, Italian honey, forest honey and rubber honey. Among these 4 varieties, we get very good price for Coor honey, which is collected from nearby Coorg area in Karnataka. The Coor honey is world famous for its taste and smell. To get Coorg honey, we keep the bees with the box in Coorg area under the trees called as Battu and Karimara. Like Manuka honey of New Zealand, we stress this point in all our exhibition come sale activities. Since the plants come in bloom once in a year during April-May, we migrate the colonies to Coorg area and collect a good yield. The plants in forest, that is Battu and Karimara, yields huge quantity of nectar from each inflorescence. This honey is said to have medicinal property because of the enzymes present in the honey along with good aroma. As regards to Italian honey, the honeybee colonies collected from Kerala Agriculture University AICRP on honeybees and pollinators. These Italian bees yield more honey with good quality in terms of moisture percentage, hence fetches high price. Regarding forest honey, it is multifloral honey with a mixture of honey from different floral sources. This honey is more valued by the public. The rubber plant yields honey from its extra floral nectar in the leaves. The Europeans prefer this rubber liquid honey. Value added production based on the technology given by Kerala Agriculture University, we developed comb honey. This comb honey is purely natural, untouched by human hands, and hence it is the pure honey without adulteration. The honeybees by themselves process the honey and put enough enzymes so that it can be kept for long days without any fermentation. It also fetches good price because the children like it very much since they can use the honey with the wax naturally. Another product is the honey vinegar, which is also produced and marketed by us under Mada Honey Vinegar. We could also develop a cosmetic with honey known as honey face pack. Lot of youngsters prefer this face pack since it is not having any side effects. The cold cream developed by us is also marketed in plenty in exhibitions all over because it is very good for skin care. The preparation we sell under Mada Amla in honey is a good medicine for the ailment of stomach problems and for good health. We also developed value added products such as Amla honey, dates in honey, honey with dry fruits, badam in honey, cashew in honey, garlic in honey for various kinds of customers. The product developed as Mada honey jam is having good affinity to children. During my training, the technologies on preparation on above value added honey is highlighted and a good rate of adoption by the women trainers. I am maintaining 5000 Indian bee colonies in various places. This is my first Indian bee apiary at Panathur. Here we have 25 colonies. Like this, we have 150 locations. This is a very good healthy colony. This is workers bee. This is drones. Now you can see the queen. The bees usually collect nectar pollen during the morning hours. Now it is cloudy evening and population of foragers reduced. We have been involved in beekeeping for the past since my childhood as our livelihood. The honeybees ensure pollination in most of the agricultural and horticultural crops and enhance productivity and then help for food security. My children and my husband help me in my profession. Especially my husband helped me for migration and sale of honey. Coconut, arecanut, coffee, ocimon, cashew, rubber, teak is the main pollen and nectar yielding plants. It is hind leg. It is from wax gland located in the abdomen. During the honey flow season in rubber, bees are kept in the plantation at Kasargod during January-March. As the honey flow is over, the bees are migrated to nearby Karnataka area like Sulliya during March-April. From there, it is migrated to Coorg area in Karnataka for collecting the world famous Coorg honey. In June-August, It will be again migrated to Gundalpet and HD Kota Taluk of Karnataka. The Indian bees called Epicerana has to be examined once in every 10 days. So, full-time engagement with the bees is necessary. But the stingless bees twice in a year for division of colonies during November, December and March, April for honey collection. This is another godown for keeping boxes. This is another godown near to our house where we keep honey and jars. This is the house for our workers. This is my Italian bee apiary. I will show you how to extract honey from Italian bee. For handling bees, we need one smoker and one hive tool. It is advised to collect honey only from super chamber or honey chamber. Smoker is used to keep the bees calm. Give some smoke, open the hive and remove the worker bees. Now the comb having sealed honey is taken by removing the wax capping. The comb is placed inside the honey extractor and pure honey is collected. Slowly, the rotator of extractor is moved and honey will be collected in the drum and filtered it and stored in the container. The comb is shifted and honey is collected from the same side. Here also extraction of honey is the same. In the beginning of honey flow season, now the honey is collected in a container and filtered. The worker population is enhanced, allowed to enter into the honey chamber. 3 to 5 such chambers where worker bees are maintained is prepared. This will help to get maximum yield. You can see my workers coming from different locations after harvesting honey. This honey is poured into this vessel and is the vessel is kept in the hot water. Honey is heated to get 60-degree honey so that water inside the honey is also get evaporated. While heating the honey, the dust found in the honey is removed. After getting 60-degree honey, it is filtered and kept for cooling before packing. The cooled honey is bottled. This bottle contains 1 kg honey. It is also labeled under the brand name of Mada honey. After bottling, the bottle is also sealed. After sealing the bottle, it is also labeled. Kerala Agriculture University has developed technology for commercial meliponic culture, that is beekeeping with stingless bees. So I have adopted this technology and disseminating to farmers. Since this is the breeding time, it has built queen cells. You can see honey store, pollen store and brood store. This is medicinal honey. It may fetch up to rupees 2700 per kg. After the honey harvest, the bottle is opened so that the worker bees will re-enter the hive. From the wax, we take out honey. After crushing, the wax, we put it in the big plastic strainer. Now the honey gets dropped automatically. The wax, which is the byproduct of the honey, is put into the vessel containing hot water to get it melted. After 20 minutes of boiling, it will be poured into the locally made mold and it will remain for 12 hours to get a cake shaped wax. It weighs approximately 5 kg. We get around rupees 500 per kg of wax. It is sold mainly to Ayurvedic medicine company and cosmetic industries. We market product to Ayurveda Hospital and Agmar Company, Horticrop and Khadi Board. Wholesale rate ranging from 120 to 140 rupees per kg, and we also market our honey product to Bangalore market also at wholesale rate. We also sell directly to consumers in all our exhibition at rupees 225 to 300 rupees. We have no problem in marketing. I would like to suggest the women farmers that the beekeeping is a good source for enhancing pollination and food production for ensuring national food security. Again, it is a good enterprise for generating family income and for self-sustainability and self-employment. I appeal all the women farmers to take up this beekeeping profession. I would like to mention here, before starting the beekeeping enterprise, our financial position was very poor. From this business, we have started progressing from honey income and we were able to build the house, purchase car, pickup van, two-wheeler, and also the income was helpful to educate my children. I thank all the officers and scientists of Agriculture University to encourage me to take up this beekeeping enterprise. Namaskar.
I am Dr. Stephen Devanation, Professor and Principal Scientist, All India Coordinated Research Project on Honey Bees and Pollinators of Kerala Agricultural University, funded by Indian Council of Agricultural Research. My center is College of Agriculture, Velayani, Trivandrum. I am working for the network project funded by the Indian Council of Agricultural Research. Actually, we have standardized technologies for the management of Indian bees, Episarana, as well as stingless bees, Trigona iridipennis, and we pioneered in working with stingless bees, and we got an award from the Government of India 3 months before. Aleyamma Siby is closely associated with our programs, and because she follow the technologies standardized by Kerala Agriculture University in beekeeping. Moreover, she has been selected as a bee breeder, only one women bee breeder in the state under State Horticulture Mission, and she is imparting training to different self-help groups, women groups, and supported by the State Horticorp Nodal Agency for Beekeeping Dissemination. He is very good at and a committed person for doing these works. Very interesting thing is she migrate the colonies in different locations and collect more honey, and she do it as a good profession. Especially she is a good honey collector from Coorg areas, Kodag areas, and she is an expert for Coorg honey. You may be knowing that Coorg honey is very important as far as India is concerned. It's having very good medicinal nature, since it is a multifloral honey. And the State Horticulture Mission support her and provide financing for giving trainings to different beekeepers in different pockets, and supply is affected for Indian bee colonies as well as stingless bee colonies. I wish her all success. I know Aleyamma Siby before 15 years. She came as a trainer's trainee to our place, and I am very happy that she follow all the advanced technologies standardized by our university, and she is a resource person for conducting various training programs.
I am Jalaluddin, agriculturist at Panatur. I have taken training and guidance on beekeeping from Srimati Aleyamma Siby, and I am following on her advices. I have 150 bee colonies and I am benefited from bee training.